Looking for the best action cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Insta360 Ace Pro. This is the best action camera you can buy on the market and excels in low light performance thanks to its sensor and Leica lens combination. This action camera captures video at up to 8K at 24 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second with a 48 megapixel photo capability. The device features a unique flip-up screen that aids in self-filming and low-angle shots while maintaining durability with waterproofing up to 10 without a case. The camera's pure video technology powered by a dedicated 5nm chip enhances dynamic range and stabilization while reducing noise. Its clarity zoom feature enables 2x zoom with minimal quality loss. The 1650 mAh battery provides approximately 100 minutes of continuous 4K recording with fast charging capability reaching 80% in 22 minutes. Build quality is robust with a rugged chassis, though at 179.8 g it's heavier than some competitors. The magnetic mounting system allows quick transitions between mounting points. The fixed lens protector, while durable, isn't replaceable. Video quality shows excellent detail and color reproduction, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its exceptional hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, making handheld footage look professionally stabilized. This rugged action camera captures 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second while offering extreme slow-motion capabilities up to 400 frames per second at 720p. The 27-megapixel sensor maintains the versatile 8:7 aspect ratio, allowing users to crop footage into various formats including 16:9, 9:6, and 4:3, built to withstand harsh conditions. It's waterproof to 33 feet without additional housing and features a durable construction that can handle drops and impacts. The new 1900 mAh Enduro battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p with about 65 minutes at 5.3K resolution. A significant upgrade is the new HB series lens mod system featuring auto-detecting lenses including macro and ultra-wide options. The camera supports multiple color profiles including 10-bit HDR, HLG and GP log for professional color grading. Dual screens, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity round out this capable action camera's feature set. The magnetic mounting system adds convenience while maintaining compatibility with traditional GoPro mounts. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Action 5 Pro delivers exceptional battery life with up to 240 minutes of continuous recording time. This rugged action camera features a COS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at up to 120 frames per second and 40 megapixel still photos. It boasts dual OLED touchscreens with high brightness and impressive waterproofing up to 20 without a case or 60 with the included waterproof housing. The camera incorporates advanced stabilization features including Rocksteady 3.0 and 360 degrees horizon steady 4. Smooth footage, with 64 GB of built-in storage, 10-bit color recording and D-Log-M support. It offers professional-grade capabilities. The device includes 3 built-in microphones for stereo audio capture and supports wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi 6.0. Its compact form factor and lightweight design make it ideal for action sports and outdoor activities. Number 4. OM System TU TG7. The TG7's impressive durability makes it a standout rugged camera, being waterproof to 15 shockproof from 2.1 drops, crushproof to 100 kilograms, dustproof and freeze-proof to -10 degrees Celsius. The camera features a 12-megapixel BSI COS sensor paired with a bright f/2.0 to 4.9 lens offering 4 times optical zoom. Its macro capabilities are exceptional with 1 cm minimum focusing distance and up to 44.4x magnification. Video capabilities include 4K at 30p recording and high-speed options up to 480 FPS in lower resolutions. The built-in GPS and field sensors track location, temperature, and altitude data. The 3" LCD screen offers improved color reproduction while USB-C connectivity enables convenient charging. The camera includes specialized modes like underwater photography, construction, and time-lapse. Battery life extends to approximately 330 shots, and the dual-pane protective glass prevents fogging in extreme temperature changes.